Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Okemutefone, your tech savvy. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a mock-up of your ebook. Okay, so if you're a content creator, you create digital products, and you want to create a mock-up for your book, maybe you wrote a book and you want to create a mock-up for that book. I'm going to show you how to do that right away. So I already made a video on my YouTube channel on how you can do that using the CANVA application. All right, so you might want to also watch that video to see how you can do that on CANVA. Now, aside from that, you can also use various websites to create mock-ups of your ebook covers. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. All right, so let's get down to business. So now the website I'm going to use is called diybookcovers.com/3d mockups. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'll just paste the link in the comment section or in the description of this video. Okay, so wherever you find it, you can click on it and it's going to bring you here. This is the website you'll see right away. Okay, so I already have my book designed before now. Okay, so if I come to my desktop, you're going to see the book here. So you see the book here, it's called the website design. I already designed it on CANVA and I downloaded it here. So let's go back to the website. So when you get here, you're going to choose if you want to make use of a single design or composite design. So when I mean single design, it just means just one book. You just want to make the design on one book. So if you click on composite, you get to see various styles. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is on one style. So I go to single and I'll click on, let's say I want this particular design. So I click on this one and then I click on the next button. It takes me to step 2 and then I click on browse to go and locate the image I want to make use of. So I go to my desktop and I click on this design here, click open, and the next thing I do is to click on upload. So you wait for it to upload here in this space you're seeing now. Okay, so you can see the image is here already. So when you are done, the next thing you want to do is to click on next and you get options. Scroll down and you get option to download it in PNG. If you want to put the mockup in another book, like you want to put it in a PDF of your book or you want to use on a particular design, you can download it in PNG, meaning the background is going to be transparent, or you can download it in a JPEG format if you want to use it just like that. So whichever one of them, I just click on PNG and it's going to download. So you can see it here, it's downloading, and I'm going to select JPEG as well so that I could use it for anything I want to do. So I just go back to my download folder to see what we've got. So can you see now? So this is the design I have here. So one of them is PNG and the other one is JPEG. All right, so that is how you create ebook covers or for your design. So if you want to also do for the composite, you might as well just go back from here, just click on back, and then you come here to choose option for composite, and let's just try and see how the composite looks like. So let's say I want to go for, okay, let's go for this one, and then I click on next, I click on upload. Okay, so I click next and then I click on download for both of them. So it's downloading already. I just click on JPEG as well. So you get to check here my download and see what we got. So can you see now? So this is how you create ebook covers using this website I just showed you. If you love this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you keep seeing more of my video. Thank you for watching.